10 interesting facts about Bitcoin. You might have heard about Bitcoin on the news and read about it in newspapers or your favorite magazine. In this presentation, I'll give you a deeper look into Bitcoin and share 10 interesting things you might not know about this digital cryptocurrency. 1. It's the world's first successful cryptocurrency. Many have come before it, but all failed. Bitcoin is the world's most successful working example of a digital currency that isn't backed by banks or governments. 2. Limited number only. Just like real gold, the Bitcoin protocol states that only 21 million Bitcoins can ever be created. 3. No physical coin. Bitcoins are digital or electronic in nature. While some enterprising companies sell physical Bitcoins, these aren't the real thing. It does make for perfect gifts to Bitcoin geeks. 4. You can mine Bitcoins. If you want to have your own Bitcoins and you own a very powerful computer, you can mine them. It's going to take some time, however, as your computer will need to solve some very complex mathematical problems before you get your Bitcoin reward. 5. No one knows who the creator is. No one knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is. He's the guy, or group of guys, who wrote the white paper on Bitcoin and released the system into the world. 6. All transactions are final. Before you hit the send or pay button, make sure you're sending your Bitcoins to the right person. There's no way to get those coins back once the transaction is verified. 7. Can be used to pay for items in the real world. You can use your Bitcoins to pay for many things, such as pizzas, limousine service, flowers, plane tickets, sandwiches, and more. 8. You can see all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin is an open-source peer-to-peer network, which means that everyone can see all payments and transactions made at any given time. 9. You need a wallet to store your coins in. You have plenty of choices to store your Bitcoins. You can use a paper wallet, hardware wallet, mobile app, desktop app, or store it in your favorite Bitcoin exchange platform. 10. It took only 5 years for Bitcoin to reach $1,000. In the early days, you could buy 1,000 Bitcoins for a few dollars, but in just 5 short years, the price skyrocketed to $1,000. And experts are predicting the price could go as high as $100,000 in the near future.